Hello, Dr. Brian Abelson here at Kinetic Health. We're just going to go over some hamstring stretching right now. I have the pleasure of working with Julia Arnett today, and what we're going to do is just show you how a little more effectively a way to stretch your hamstrings out. We're going to do a little bit of PNF, or proprioceptive neural facilitation. Very large word, but very, very easy to do. What we're going to do is we're going to show you how to move past whatever point you can stretch to. Normal is 90 degrees. So when you bring your leg up and you're down here, well, this is not exactly where you should be. You want to be up to about that level. If you are a dancer such as Julia here, you'd have great range of motion, and once you're warmed up, you're obviously going to go way past this. Now, the way you're going to do this, you can take either a cord such as this, or you can take a towel even and put it around your leg. And what you're going to do is you're going to push this direction for about a count of 8. So push fairly hard in this direction, and then after 8 counts, you're going to bring it forward to whatever is comfortable to that point. Stay there. And then again, you're going to push back for about a count of 8. So fairly slow, and then once you've reached 8, come up just a little bit farther. And we're going to do this, maybe 4 or 5 times until we increase our range of motion. This is a really fast way to increase your flexibility. But remember, normal is 90 degrees. Quite often I'll have patients come in and they have extreme low back pain and their hamstring flexibility is like down to here. This is a major problem. Your hamstrings basically connect on the ischial tuberosity, go into your glutes, up to the low back muscles or the rectus spinae. If your hamstrings are tight, it's going to change your alignment of your pelvis. It's going to cause some major problems. So this is an issue you really need to address. Okay? While we're here, I'm also going to show you a second way if you have a partner to help you stretch. So what we're going to do is basically you find whatever the range of motion is, and then you take your shoulder against the person and have them push against you fairly hard for about a count of 8, somewhere in that vicinity. Keep going on there, and then you don't jerk forward, they release their leg, and then very gently you move forward just a little bit. And again, repeat the process. And we probably do this 4 or 5 times until we increase the range of motion. We want to make sure when you're doing this though, that your pelvis is down, directly against the floor. A common thing people try and do when they push down against you is they try and raise their pelvis right up so they can get a little more leverage and push against there. Don't do that. Keep this right down and slowly work into it. And again, increasing the range of motion, going over this procedure maybe 4 or 5 times.